Storing and Identifying Clothing, read by Lisa Brown, Community Resource Worker. This video will cover areas associated with managing your wardrobe, including assessing your dressing space, tips to stay organized, and ways to label and mark clothing. There are some key points to make it easier to locate and identify your clothing. Firstly, declutter. We wear 20% of our clothing 80% of the time. Consider donating clothing you no longer wear to an NCBI charity shop. Ensure you have good lighting in your room and directed towards your storage units. Consider purchasing stick-on lights for inside your wardrobe. Ensure your dressing space gives you ample room to move and dress, and that you have a clear seat ready and available to sit down if you need to do so while you dress. Take your time and don't rush. Organize. Find a place for items and return them to the same place. This will make them easier to find. Also consider some of the following tips to organize your clothing. To organize your wardrobe, consider keeping outfits together on one hanger or create a capsule wardrobe where most of your items can be mixed and matched. Store items of the same color in specific areas. For example, keeping navy items on the right of the wardrobe and black on the left. Consider getting a color detector or using apps on your smartphone to identify color. Use tactile clues such as the shape and cut of the garment or buttons to identify it. Adding labels can also be useful, and we will now explore some labeling options. Consider making large print labels you can put onto a hanger by using a circle of cardboard which you can slip over the top of the hanger, or use a paper label secured using a rubber band. You can use clothes pegs to identify particular colors and to keep matching shoes together. Consider putting a safety pin inside clothing in a discreet place, or include a button to help distinguish shades. A single pin can mean the item is black, while a pin with one button can mean an item is green. You can find Braille clothing identifiers online. These are durable and washable tags that have Braille with corresponding black print. They can be sewn or pinned onto the garment. Each label contains just 2 to 3 Braille letters that you can learn to recognize by touch without having to learn to read the entire Braille system. Small plastic sock tuckers or sock locks can help you sort your socks and other small or delicate items. You can also use them to keep your socks matched during washing. Alternatively, safety pin your socks together when you take them off to keep them in pairs during washing. Everyone will find their own way to mark and organize their clothing. There isn't a right or a wrong way, just a way which works best for you. For more information, contact NCBI on www.ncbi.ie.